2012 CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, security system, power windows, CD player, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, power driver seat, rear window wiper. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.